Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love finding tools that are going to help me be the healthiest version of myself. And that's why I really like this arboleaf smart scale. What's so nice about this is, of course, it takes your weight, but it does so much more than that. It measures everything, not only just your body mass, your fat percentage, your muscle mass. It measures everything, and it links to your smartphone. The app was so easy to download and use. It has a button in the upper corner where you can click on it and it will then wait to get the readings from the scale. You can then set a goal if you're wanting to lose or gain weight. You can set that, and then each time you weigh yourself, it's going to show you your progress. You can even download the app on multiple devices so that if your mate wants to download the app, you don't have to worry about getting two scales. He can use the scale too, but it's going to go onto his personal account. And then you can share it or view it if you add that person to your account, which is really nice. It can help you to stay motivated, to encourage your friends or your mate to stay on task and to stay healthy. Fits so nicely on the side of my vanity because it puts it in a spot that I know no one's gonna accidentally kick it. It's not gonna be in anybody's way, and it's gonna be easy for me to use as soon as I wake up in the morning. I think this is a great thing to have. It is so easy to use and is smart, which you need all the smarts you can get to stay healthy. And that's my point of view.